Shine bright up all night whenever.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial will be on this eye look. It is rose orange cut crease eye makeup look. If you're wearing a rose orange color attire, then please give this eyeshadow look a try. It's very easy. I have just used 4 eyeshadows to get this eye makeup look. If you're interested in knowing step by step, then please continue watching this tutorial. First eyeshadow that I would be picking is this. This is deep orange. I'm covering my outer V. I'm using tapered brush from Pro Art. Move the same eyeshadow towards the crease after applying on outer V. Move the brush back and forth and in circular motion. To intensify this orange eyeshadow further, I am picking chocolate brown eyeshadow. Take a little, this is very pigmented. Tap and begin blending. Move the brush in circular motion, blend it with the orange eyeshadow. Take it towards the crease. Move the brush back and forth. Let intensity be greater on the outer V, very less towards the crease. Don't take too much inside. Next, I am creating half cut crease. I am using Hillary Rhoda concealer and Pro Art concealer brush. Pull only the mid concealer towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. After this, I would be using the shimmery eyeshadow. This is very soft orange shimmer eyeshadow. Cover your cut crease using this eyeshadow, whole of your cut crease. I want intensity of this eyeshadow to be deeper on the eye mid. To make it deeper, I am using a matte eyeshadow and packing it here. To intensify the eye mid, I am using a deeper tone eyeshadow. Pull it towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V and push it here towards the shimmery eyeshadow to blend it with the shimmery eyeshadow. It is transitioning from light to dark basically. Next, I am applying winged eyeliner. I am using a liquid eyeliner from Insight. After creating winged eyeliner, I would be creating pointed inner corner. Be very careful here. This shapes your eye. Take your time. Don't mess here. It takes practice. Be very careful. Keep the point very sharp. The sharper the pointed inner corner, the more beautiful your eye makeup will look. Next, I am coating kajal on my waterline. After this, I would be using orange eyeshadow on my lower lash line. Smush the kajal. Using orange eyeshadow, the traces of the orange eyeshadow should be visible. Next, I am applying mascara on my eyelashes. Coat mascara well on your upper and lower eyelashes. Lastly, I would be highlighting my brow bone. I am using foil from Swiss Beauty, silver foil. Find link to this foil in the description box below. And it's done. This is the final look. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you are interested in watching more such tutorials, then please consider subscribing my channel. Take care and bye.